Okay, look at my hair. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So today is extremely good. The weather is so good, and you can wear shorts. You can wear t-shirt outside. Oh, bright sunshine. So good. So this is Emeryville. I went to San Francisco area. I need to do something, so I came here, and I was thinking maybe I can take a look of some different places. So I end up in Emeryville, and I went to some market, grocery store, and some other store, and there is a chain store, and looks very new, very beautiful, and they sell some inexpensive materials, sell some art supplies, and I got a lot of my my classroom use paper or some pencil pens from this store. And I asked the person who is in charge in the cashier place. I asked, how long is this built? He said he did not know exactly, and he started from last August. And then I said, maybe because this is just so very well organized, it looks so new. And then he started to say, yeah, and this is one of the less good, the worst. He has worked, or he has been to three different shops from the same chain. And there is one in Alameda, and very beautiful, very organized. There is one in San Francisco, and also very well organized and has more things. And after he talked about it, it made me so interested. You know, sometimes you just randomly talk with some people, some stranger, and you get a lot of things, and just this small dialogue. He's very kind and warms my heart. Just from time to time, you have this shallow communication. There's no responsibility. There's no soul searching dialogue, and you do not need to make an effort to bring up a topic. Just randomly chat something interesting. That's so good. Anyway, so this is the shop, and it looks really pretty. So I just kept on walking, and I passed by the city hall, the Emeryville City Hall. I heard it's I saw from picture it looks quite unique. So I went in, and I was allowed to get in and ask some questions. And the person who receives me tells me on Friday usually they are open only to appointments. Do you have an appointment? I said, no, I'm just here to visit. I pass by and I see this building, very pretty, on the side, which is the city hall. And this building is very unique, so I stopped just like that and want to have a visit. So he allowed me in and give me some introduction, and the rest is a real
Emeryville
voice, not
City
voice
Hall.
over.
And I just find very interesting for this structure. So I walk in, and that kind gentleman said, usually they are closed on Friday, but they opened the door for me. I say I just find the architectural design interesting. So I was allowed to come in, and he also introduced me some public artwork. I can walk around. That's not for me. Authorized personnel, but I am allowed to walk here, to walk around here. That is the City Hall, and I think I am allowed to visit the City Hall. And this place looks very much like a factory for some reason. I used to know that Emeryville has a very big industrial production, and in Oakland you can see the other side. Oakland and Emeryville both are very much industrial, and this is their city center. I love this place, actually. I love this. I love small government, not small government, and not taking too much resources of public resource, and renovate, use it to the very best. This is what I like. Yeah, it seems very small. This is one of the smallest, if not the smallest. Yes, I have seen some other small towns also, but this is a really small. Old Town Hall, second floor. City Council Chamber. Public. Oh my goodness, this looks so pretty. This is town hall meeting. You know, I have been to my city town hall meeting also, and it's roughly like this. Usually the mayor or the organizer will sit there, and people start a discussion, and you will take a ticket or do not take a ticket. You will line up there and start to talk in front of that. And I remember I went there for one of our cities discussion about preserving a public historic place. This is so cool. And it looks simple, elegant, and functional. So I think this is the City Hall. Used to be the old City Hall, and not enough. They renovated or they extended. But it's quite interesting to have such an architectural design that does not match, does not seems compatible at all with the old City Hall. How interesting this place. Yeah, maybe I can go down. So here are some public artworks. That must be office. I need to go down. Yeah, this is cubicles of office. Maybe people work at home, work from home on Friday. I think that's a very good idea, that you have a balance of time to work, time to stay at home. That is a very, very human and very nice thing to do. This looks very much like indigenous artwork.
Well, I mean, a building was demolished, it was something else here, but we didn't use it.
And in the shape of button and wall and shell. Stoneware. They are featuring some artists here. Sama Arastu, Michelle Moller, this looks like fabric art, polyfelt. They are so cute, so comfortable and so cute. Yeah. So, an artwork by a council member, sculptor Donahue, and this one is the discussion, and it seems a little bit heated discussion. I feel this is so vivid. This is about democracy. Everyone has a right, has a freedom, and has the courage to disagree, to dislike, and to speak it out. Wow, this is so cool.
Just on some boards.
Oh.
It's all involved with the city, and this is another one. So this artist kind of created this new style, and he has another piece of another artwork that is much taller, and he had to, yeah, he.
Yeah. Figure with colors. That's very creative. And maybe some found material. He made this material. Too dark. Yeah, you are so kind. Oh, that is very kind of you. So this is a figure, very abstract, and use. I guess this is using found material, but maybe he's intentionally making it this way. Very interesting. A little bit like Venus, actually. Yeah, the broken arm, Venus, and the body shape is actually that curve.
Chambers? Yes. Every other Tuesday they still record
Okay.
here. And then
Some
there's 2 more pieces.
building permit, some.
Mhm. Everything that runs for the city. So this one is
Mm.
my favorite one here.
Oh.
It's burnished
Oh, yeah.
clay.
Yeah. Wow, so detailed. Dancing hand. Oh, blue triangle. I think in your council website or city website, we can find information about this portion. Looks
And
like
it comes with a poem too on the bottom.
yeah. Oh. There is a poem, a question that answered itself without question, without reason, without ever being asked. Yeah, thank you. So this is the current mayor. Oh, council member. Oh, yeah. This is made of clay. Can you imagine it? Oh, wow.
If you purchase a certain amount of, let's say, like sometimes it's 20,000, sometimes it's 35,000, but local artists or everyone that's in Emeryville, they have to be making art in Emeryville or from Emeryville, submits their artwork and we can purchase it. So these are all Emeryville artists.
Oh.
Yeah.
So in the city hall, all the Emeryville artists.
Yeah, just within the city.
Yeah.
So either they work out of Emeryville,
Yeah.
like their shop is in Emeryville, or they live here.
Oh, okay.
But they're allowed to submit their artwork. And sometimes the pieces might be more expensive, so we can only get one. Sometimes they're a little cheaper, so we can get two.
Yeah.
But yeah, all these
Wow.
pieces are made here.
Yeah.
So it's really
Artists from here. It's really, yeah.
great. Yeah.
And very unique in here. So cool. Okay. I was so touched and impressed. And this gentleman, he is so kind. And I asked if I can make a video of you, put your face in the video. He said better not, so I respect. And he introduced me a lot of public art. For example, that one, that electricity box, transformer box, a lot of city has it. We will go a bit closer. And that one looks like this one looks like a Pixar something, right? I do not know whether it's public art or Pixar. That one actually looks like a Pixar. Yes. Okay. Emeryville is an artist city, as he mentioned. So there are 4 parks in the city. Here is one. Take a look. And this is the old town hall. A very elegant structure. Yeah, that looks so cool. And the mayor's office is there. We just went to the town hall meeting place. This is the town hall. A total of 4 bucks. Maybe we should turn around and see the bugs. There is one. Oh, there is one. That looks like a mosquito. Oh, is that Medusa?